Grabe ba? Hi, Pedro. Valentine's. 10309. Thanks, Pedro. Thank you. Matrix, hello. Randy. Hello. Hi, Matrix. You're so hot. Thank you. It's really hot here. Like, for real. For real. Super hot. Super hot, hot, hot. Or are you Philippines? I'm at home. Hi, forever. I'm at home. Wow, New York. I wanted to go to New York also. Hi, Nan. Wanted to go New York too. Thank you. Palito, thank you then. Where's your Valentine's gift to me? Matrix. Hi, Alex. Alex. Oh, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Hi, Stains. Hi, Sunny, sorry. I thought it's Stains. See, you're really kidding me. Uh, Angel, I thank you for the gift. Oh, you should come here in the Philippines. It's really fun here. You'll meet a lot of beautiful girls. Meet first. Hi, Ricky. And you'll meet me also. You'll meet me also. That's why, because I am the only 1058. Thank you so much for the follow. Because I am the only one Filipina that you've seen. Most girls have a baby. Hmm? I don't have a baby. Ellie